Hi, I'm Stacy, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to make two savory compound butters, a homemade garlic butter and a savory herbed butter. Let's get started. For garlic butter, we want to take a half a cup of butter, a tablespoon of minced garlic, a tablespoon of chopped Italian parsley, and a tablespoon of chopped Italian oregano. Stir to combine. Now this is really great because I take this and I'll make garlic bread with it. You can actually freeze this one too. And then whenever you're making spaghetti sauce, you can, you need some quick garlic bread. I already got garlic butter whipped up. Garlic mixed into the butter. Make sure it's thoroughly mixed. And there you have it. Garlic butter. Make your spaghetti night an awesome night. Right. Herb butter. We're going to start with a half a cup of softened butter. We're going to do about a teaspoon of this beautiful thyme, maybe a couple teaspoons. Tablespoon of chopped sage. Definitely a teaspoon of rosemary chopped well. And we're going to put in a couple pinches of salt. Maybe 3. There we go. We're going to mix this up. Now this is one of my favorites to put over steak. I love this one. Just for that reason. You can get a nice finish on it as well as it gives that buttery flavor to the steak itself. Without making you feel like you've added a whole salad to the steak. We just get that all mixed in. And get some of that going that way. And some of that here. And we have mixed this up. And there you are, some beautiful herb butter. Thanks for watching, and please, if you like the video, click like and subscribe to the channel so you know as new recipes are added twice a week.